Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to deploy a Microsoft Bastion to special subnet. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So let's begin. So mm, we need to have our VPC or virtual network. Then we go to the settings, Bastion. Then we need to select a VM to connect to. And then click on deploy Bastion. In my case, I don't have any VM, but it doesn't matter. Now we can also manually create a bastion. For example, we need to select resource group, set a name for bastion, the region, the tier, now we can have only one Azure Bastion in VPC, in virtual network. So we can create new network quickly with default subnet. So to use Bastion, you need to create a specific subnet for Azure Bastion. This one will not work because it has only one subnet. So let's create another one. Or we can just add. So the Bastion subnet need to have this name. Like this. Click on OK. And now we can create a new one. We can use an existing IP address or we can create new one. Review and create. Create. Now we should have two bastions. One automatic that we created and one manual that we just now created also. Let's check it. Azure Bastion. bastions. So as you can see, we have two of them. I don't know why it's North Europe, but these are bastions. So to use this bastion, we need to auto the virtual machine that we want to connect using that bastion. Go to connect and select bastion. Now you set username and password and click on connect. As you can see, now we are connected to our VM using an intermediate that is Azure Bastion. So, for example, our VM don't have public IP, and using the Bastion we can connect to that VM. Hopefully this video was useful for someone. If you like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.